This beautiful life 난 너의 곁에 있을게 This beautiful life 너의 뒤에
What's up mga Lodi? This is Dadin27 at nandito na naman po tayo para mag-review ng isa sa pinakabagong keyboard ng Rakk Gears. At ang nasa akin po ngayon ay ang Rakk Kimat XT.LE. So, ang gagawin po natin dito is subukan natin yung keyboard. Papakita ko po sa inyo yung bagong software na kasama dito, yung Rakk Fine Tuner. Tapos, check din natin yung different backlight modes niya. Tapos, yung key features ng tuner niya, as well as yung bagong specs niya. Tignan na natin yung sound test ng keyboard dahil matagal nyo nang nare-request sa mga tech reviews ko yon. So, tignan muna natin ngayon yung specs ng keyboard. So, here are the specs of the Rakk Kimat XT.LE. The Rakk Kimat XT.LE uses an Optimu blue mechanical switches with 60 grams actuation force. Unlike the Rakk Kimat XT, it uses a blue Gateron switch with 62 grams actuation force. So, mas magaan po ang switches na to at mas magaan sa daliri. Next, double injection ABS keycaps. Tanong, nag-fade po ba yung keycaps ng Rakk Gears? No, hindi po nag-fade ang keycaps ng Rakk Gears. Wala na pong nag-fade na keycaps ng keyboard ng Rakk Gears. 50 million keystroke lifespan, RGB backlighting with 16.8 million customizable color options. So, true RGB backlights. Lagi pong tinatanong sa akin, does it have anti-ghosting? Does it have N-key rollovers? Yes, 100% anti-ghosting with 104 key rollover. It is also fully programmable with macro recording. So, yun nga po yung bago pong software ng Rakk Gears, yung Rakk Fine Tuner. Pwede nyo po dun i-program yung mga macro keys nyo at i-assign sa mga keys. Next is 1000 Hz ultra polling. What the hell is ultra polling? Kuya, ano yung ultra polling? Ultra polling, ito po yung technology ng Razer na it heightens the frequency of the keyboard reporting actuation information back to the computer. So, 1,795 pesos introductory price. It has a picture of Razer. So, magkano ba ang Razer? Twice, or 4 times the price of Rakk Gears, diba? So, imagine, dun pa lang, sulit ka na. Now, it has a braided fiber with 1.6 length. Dati kasi dun sa Rakk Kimat, natatanggal po yung USB connector. Ngayon, hindi na po. Fix na po siya. Okay guys, so this is the Rakk Fine Tuner for the Kimat XT.LE. So on this software, you can save the 3 different profiles for your keyboard. And on this side, you can use the macro editor. So, sa macro editor, pwede ka na mag-save or gumawa ng macro keys mo at save mo sa kung saan part ng keyboard or what keys you want to save your macro keys. And next one is the different backlight modes for your keyboard. What's good about this software is that this software is synced with your keyboard. So what's showing on your software is actually what's showing on your keyboard as well. So there are 15 different backlight modes for your Rakk Kimat XT.LE. So first, the retro snake. So the retro snake, parang merong snake na gumagapang sa keyboard mo. Next one is the neon stream. So, parang rainbow lang siya na dumadaan sa keyboard. Reaction mode. In reaction mode, pag nag-type ka, saka lang iilaw yung keys. So, let's say, magta-type ako, papakita ko sa inyo. Kita nyo? So, yan po ang lumalabas. Next one. Cinewave. Parang lifeline na nagwe-wave. Fixed on, fixed backlight color. Pwede nyo po i-customize. Gawa tayo ng customized color. Let's say this one. I don't know, pink. Gusto ko ng pink para maganda. Ayan, ang ganda. Try natin yung ibang color. Di ba? Madali lang. Next, respire mode. Parang breeding mode sa Raksari. Pwede mo ring palitan ng kulay yan. Depende sa taste mo. Next, rainbow mode. Papalit ng kulay every second. Flash away parang ripple RGB, pero kung saang line lang yung key mo pinindot, dun lang siya magre-ripple. Next one, raindrops. Parang raindrops lighting effect. Next one is the rainbow wheel. So dito na umiikot yung kulay sa keyboard mo. Naka RGB mode ako, kaya ganyan po ang lumalabas. Pero pwede nyo po i-customize to gamit tong Rakk Fine Tuner. This is my favorite, Ripple Shining. Pag ginagawa kasing launchpad yung keyboard ko, ito lagi ginagamit ko. See? Next, Stars Twinkle. Ito tawag ko dito Christmas light kasi yung light modes ng Christmas light parang pareho dito Pwede mo i-set ng slow, medium, and fast. Yan po. Next one, shadow disappear. Shadow disappear pag nag-press ka ng key, it will slowly fade away. That's why it's shadow disappear. Okay, last one, game mode. Sa game mode, there are 5 game modes. First one, FES game mode. Kung ano lang po yung naka-highlight, yun lang po ang may kulay sa keyboard nyo. Next one, Crossfire game mode. Call of Duty game mode. League of Legends game mode. I don't have any idea what this QQ is. Okay, so that's the Rakk Fine Tuner for you guys. So, see you around. Okay, sound test muna po tayo. So there you have it, guys. I hope you liked my video. If you have any comments, suggestions, questions, and violent reactions, just leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to answer all of your queries because I'm always online. Also, if you guys like my video, please do hit like and subscribe. So this is that in 27 signing out.